Probability and statistics is one of the major factors used in growing economies, and it is used in education, medicine, sports, politics, and other things. But what if probability and statistics is gone? How will it affect the society that uses it? How would you survive without probability and statistics?
In financial market, statistics play a great role. Statistics are the key of how traders and businessmen invest and make money. Imagine, probability and statistics suddenly disappear. What will happen in our economy? How will it affect in our daily lives? In economics, we analyze behavior of different groups, such as consumers, producers, government, and come out with intuitions, models, and observations. However, it is the data that enable an economist to claim such as observations as exact and persist. Broadly speaking, statistics help in analyzing various economic problems such as inflation, unemployment, by looking at numbers, trends over the years, summarizing mass data like income, consumption, into measures like per capita income and per capita consumptions, which are more explanatory of how an economy is performing.
Probability and statistics play a big role in the medical field. Before any drugs prescribed, scientists must show a statistically valid rate of effectiveness. Statistics are behind all the study of medical. Doctors predict disease based on statistics concept. Suppose a survey shows that 75% to 80% people have cancer and not able to find the reason. When the statistics become involved, then you can have a better idea of how the cancer may affect your body, or is smoking is the major reason for it. Imagine, if probability and statistics is gone, the scientists wouldn't know how the medicine or health drug is effective. And they wouldn't know if the medicine is helpful for us to cure any kind of diseases.
This reporter makes a prediction of winner for the election based on political campaigns. Here is statistic. Play a strong in who will be your possible government official. But the question is, how if the probability and statistic is gone? How do we know the possible outcome of any elections?
At given time throughout a political campaign, the media may want to know what the public at large think about policies or candidates. One solution would be to ask everyone who they would vote for. This would be costly, time-consuming, and infeasible. Another way to determine voter preference is the use of a statistical sample. Rather than ask everyone voter to state his or her preference in candidates, polling research companies poll a relatively small number of people who their favorite candidate is.
In sports, some events, occurrences, and outcomes are more probable than others, and the potential exists to use information about probabilities to aid performance. If probability and statistics were gone, how can they improve their gameplays and develop potential players? How would they calculate their chance of winning a game? Probabilities are used implicitly during performance. Performers may not even be aware that they are using probabilities. Having built up this feature of anticipation and decision-making over time as they acquired skill. The second is a broader game analysis and planning level on which information on probabilities is actively sought to drive strategic decisions. This second level seeks to explicitly exploit probabilities for planning and competitive advantage. It uses a more comprehensive approach, often accessing large pools of data to identify meaningful patterns that exist on the individual.